Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live like crazy on iPhone. Try this secret boost. Don't worry, this hidden performance boost fix it fast. Follow those simple steps. Step 1. Force close Tango Live. Swipe up from the bottom and pause. Find Tango Live. Swipe it up to close, then reopen the app. This clears stock background process. Step 2. Switch network the smart way. If on Wi-Fi, switch the mobile data. If on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. This refresh your network route, a big lag killer. Step 3. Turn off low data mode. Go to settings, then cellular data, tap data mode, click standard or allow more data. Low data mode causes heavy buffering in live apps. Step 4. Update Tango Live. Open App Store, then search for Tango Live, tap update if available. Older version lag more after iOS updates. Step 5. Enable background app refresh. Go to settings, then general, then background app refresh. Turn it on, make sure Tango Live is enabled. This improves stream stability. Step 6. Disable low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, turn low power mode off. Low power mode throttles performance. Step 7. Cool down your iPhone. Remove the phone case, close other apps, avoid charging while streaming. Overheating causes instant lag. Those steps unlock the smooth Tango Live experience on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.